Let's learn how to do curl in eFootball. Step 1. Select a player with good curl and skill long range curler. As I have Messi with 92 curl and the other player I have is Neymar with 88 curl. I don't have a blitz curler. A blitz curler can score from long distance. You have to do is pull the joystick upward and rotate on left and pull the shoot button downward. If you try from close distance, the chances of scoring goal are higher. Let's try it against opponents.
Coming on the field, number 9, number 18. What